Hello everyone, it's the Flying Monk here, and today we have the unboxing of the Amazon's Basic 3 feet nylon braided Apple MFI certified USB-A to Lightning cable. This particular cable is available on Amazon India's website for Rs 799 for the 3 feet variant. There is also a 6 feet variant available for people who require that extra length for Rs 899. Well, as you can see, the box which the cable comes in is pretty plain. It has Amazon Basics written on the top, and it also has made for iPhone, iPad and iPod written in the front. It also has the length of the cable mentioned, which is 3 feet. Other than that, there's a picture of the cable on the front of the box. Turning over to the rear, we have a huge sticker which mentions the MRP as Rs 1600. But as we know, it's available for Rs 799 on Amazon, which further goes down during sales. The country of origin is, as usual, China. And on the back of the box, we do have some writing, which is the usual mumbo jumbo. The product is made for Apple as an accessory and so on and so forth. Well, let's get opening. Opening the box, we find there's nothing much other than the cable inside. The cable itself seems to be quite high quality. It's light grey in color and comes with a nylon strap with a velcro attachment. As you can see, this is the lightning connector and this is the USB-A connector. Cable seems to be sturdy. It won't break like the Apple cable usually does. Well, let's get testing. I've plugged in the other end into my Apple socket. As you can see, I have the iPad 5th Gen with me. Plugging the cable in, you can see it starts to charge. Well, the cable does work successfully. For those of you who missed it out, here it goes, and it is charging. I hope you like this short video.